What is up, guys? It's Chance from Distinct Garage. I just wanted to go over a few things, touch bases with you guys on what our plans are for the Evo, plans for the Miata. Unfortunately, Zach is not here today, so it's just going to be mainly about the Evo. Let's get straight into it. Like I said before, this is my 2003 Mitsubishi Lancer Evolution, also what people like to call them our Evo 8s. When I got the car was completely stock. It did have a tune on it just to get a little more pep into its step. Also, when I bought the car, it was wide-bodied. All the white pieces on the car, you can see we took the front fenders off. The chain here. But yeah, first of all, this is my little garage. It's a little canopy garage, 10 by 20. Does the job perfect for what I need. Keeps the car nice and out of the heat and out of the weather, basically. Many of you guys probably are going to ask about what the hell is wrong with the tarps. I'm running into an electrical issue. My windows are stuck down. They will not come back up. In here we got a wire that's actually split. Freaking wire in there in between the door jamb that's split, causing it to freak out. Doesn't really like it. So that's the reasoning for the tarp on the car. I don't want anything else getting inside. It is getting fixed soon. I actually had a master tech at my work, at the dealership I work at, fix it. It works for 2 days and then it happened again. It's just constant from opening and closing the door. That wire just wears out. So yeah, like I said, the car was stock when I bought it. Obviously, from what you can see now, it doesn't look stock at all. This was on the car when I got it. All these green radiator hoses were on the car as well when I got it. So I didn't put those in, or else I would have done red or something to match the engine bay. Same with this. I bought this and it was already pre-powder coated. I got an actual steel for full intercooler piping, stock location, and a bigger core for 80 bucks. So I'd say I got a pretty good deal on that. So looking down straight at the exhaust manifold, we got our stock exhaust here. Down there we kind of got a big guy. That is an Evo 9 turbo we got there. So if you guys are wondering why it's a little larger, that is why. Evo 9 turbos are a bit bigger than the 8s, so that is why a lot of people choose to upgrade. So I went that route. I also went hood dump straight to atmosphere instead of recirculating it and back into the downpipe. Got my hole cut out here. Sorry, got a little bright. Got my hole cut out here so we can shoot some flames, be nice and good. I got another steal on this guy. These brand new 380, I got mine for 270. He dropped the price on me just because of those scratches right there. That is it. Only reason why he charged a little lower. So yeah, we got the 9 turbo, the hood dump. We're gonna go Walbro 450 fuel pump, and we're gonna get some Injector Dynamics 1050 cc's, and she should be ready to rip, but we won't be able to rip her until we get her tuned. So it is a bit of a bummer. So it is going to take some progress and a little bit of time before the thing is back alive. But guys, we are almost there. We are so freaking close. Oh, and also we're going E85. So we should be making some pretty good power on E85. Just average power for 91, you know. I'll probably be running E85 most of the time. So that'd be pretty cool. Trying to think of what else we can talk about real quick. The work's done all by me. I did everything you guys can see right here. We did a new gaskets as well, all the way around on everything. We are running a 3-inch turbo back exhaust, so that should be pretty loud, as well as the freaking hood dump. Before I took it all apart and I went Evo 9 turbo, I actually had a MA Performance O2 dump, which instead of coming up, it was just going down. Fortunately, whoops, my finger got in the way, guys, I'm sorry. As you guys can see, it's a little close here. I'm actually gonna clock it and be able to manage that, or we're just gonna go full race car and do an AC delete. But the O2 dump was actually rubbing on a rubber hose down there, right down there, that guy. It chewed it away. It did not like what was going on. So that is why I'm going hood dump. That doesn't concern me. Right there as bad as what was going on down there, because I didn't want Freon going everywhere. So that should be good. But yeah, guys, I just wanted to touch base with you guys, let you know what was going on, how the build's coming, how close we are. So yeah, we're just trying to put out some good content so you guys can watch. Let me know how you guys like this video. Go down and throw a like, subscribe, and yeah, keep tuned. We're gonna keep on going. So distinct.